Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to another edition of Scientifics, where we bring you the top science stories of the week from across the globe.
This week in space, NASA has discovered a planet as large as Neptune orbiting a young nearby star known as AU Microscopii that may serve as one-of-a-kind laboratory for studying how planets evolve and interact with stars. The star is so young that it is surrounded by a disk of debris left over from its formation. It is estimated to be about 20 million to 30 million years old, making it a stellar infant compared to our Sun, which is at least 150 times older. For over a decade since the star was discovered, scientists have been looking for a planet around it with the hope that the system would help study how planetary systems are formed. The system is located 31.9 light years away in the southern constellation Microscopium. Meanwhile, on Earth, the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, along with WHO, has announced the end of the second largest Ebola outbreak in history in the eastern part of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Congo has been fighting Ebola outbreaks since August 2018. It has been over 42 days or 2 incubation periods since the last survivor in the country tested negative for the virus. The outbreak was the country's 10th Ebola outbreak and the second largest Ebola outbreak in history. However, given the continuing risk of re-emergence of Ebola through sexual transmission, surveillance of the disease will continue for at least 6 more months, as cases due to new introduction of the virus from animal reservoirs can occur. Also this week, Earth's 8th continent, 95% of which is submerged thousands of feet beneath the Pacific Ocean, has been mapped in unprecedented detail for the first time. Zealandia is a 5 million square kilometer continent east of Australia beneath modern-day New Zealand, which was first discovered in the 1990s and given formal continent status in 2017. The hidden continent remained poorly studied until now. A series of new maps and interactive tools now capture the lost continent in unprecedented detail. Also this week, scientists have found that Adelie penguins in Antarctica seem to be thriving as the continent's sea ice melts due to global heating. As climate models project rapid reduction in the sea ice extent in Antarctica over the rest of the century, the ecosystems of the continent are expected to take a hit. However, penguins in the continent seem to be unexpected winners of the consequences of climate change. Polar biologists have found that the species of penguins tend to see population increases during the years of sparse sea ice and suffer massive breeding failures during those years with the greatest growth of sea ice. This is because instead of having to walk long distances over ice, these penguins can travel by swimming. For penguins, swimming is 4 times faster than walking, and this makes hunting for food much easier.
This is Mohana Basu for The Print. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates.